Human insulin production. Humulin, the man-made insulin, was developed by Genentech, the first American biotechnology company. It was licensed to Eli Lilly and became the first marketable product created through recombinant DNA technology and the first recombinant pharmaceutical also. Humalog, Novolog, Apidra, NPH, etc. are the recently using different brands of human recombinant insulin. Recombinant DNA technology is the joining together of DNA molecules from two different species. The recombinant DNA molecule is inserted into a host organism to produce new genetic combinations that are of value to science, medicine, agriculture, and industry. Human insulin is synthesized by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans in the pancreas. It is composed of two peptide chains referred to as the A chain and B chain. A and B chains are linked together by two disulfide bonds, and an additional disulfide is found within the A chain. In most species, the A chain consists of 21 amino acids and the B chain of 30 amino acids. Deficiency of insulin leads to diabetes mellitus, which is characterized by increased blood glucose level. In the early years, animal insulins, that is, insulin isolated and purified from the pancreas of pigs and cows, was used to treat diabetes. Whereas in the late 1970s, production of insulin by recombinant DNA technology started. Human insulin production by recombinant DNA technology. First, suitable vector or plasmid is isolated from the bacterium Escherichia coli. A plasmid is a small circular double-stranded DNA molecule within a cell and separated from the chromosome. And then the plasmid is cut open by restriction endonuclease enzyme. Then the human insulin coding gene is isolated from the beta cell and inserted into the opened plasmid. Plasmid and gene of interest are recombined together by DNA ligase enzyme. And this recombinant DNA is inserted into a suitable host cell, that is E. coli. Now, the recombinant bacteria is multiplying and producing human insulin in fermentation tank. The polypeptide chains are synthesized as a precursor called pre-proinsulin, which contains A and B chains linked by a C chain and is preceded by a leader signal peptide sequence. The leader sequence is removed after translation. Then the C chain is excised and leaving A and B polypeptide chains. Thus, we can produce human insulin from E. coli cells through recombinant DNA technology. Other than human insulin, recombinant DNA technology has also produced interferon, human growth hormone, etc. It is also used to produce clotting factors for treating hemophilia and in the development of gene therapy.